This multi-purpose column-moving vertical machining center provides a 3-meter-long machining area on the x-axis and a 3 to 5 axis processing capability through the use of diverse applications. The VCF 850 series of column-moving machine tools is equipped with an embedded type rotary table, a top-mounted type rotary table, and a 110-degree rotation tilting head, guaranteeing optimum versatility and the highest productivity. In addition, through the application of advanced Doosan technologies such as thermal stability technology, smart monitoring technology, and easy operation technology, this new series offers customers the very best solution. Embedded and top-mounted type rotary tables are adjustable to satisfy customers' diverse needs. The center partition table ensures improved productivity and more accurate machining. The series enables diverse applications such as 5-axis standard machining, 5-axis long workpiece machining, and continuous cutting with a one-time setup. The 110-degree rotation tilting head is optimized for a variety of machining processes and guarantees the highest speed and productivity. The built-in type spindle minimizes noise and vibration while raising operational reliability significantly. The application of an oil cooler with control accuracy of 0.1 degrees Celsius and a dual contact tool system sharply reduces vibration during cutting processes, thereby improving tool surface life, surface roughness, and ultimately machine productivity. Equipped with roller-type LM guideways and high-rigidity couplings to enhance both the rigidity and the accuracy of the XYZ axes linear feed systems, the series completely meets customers' needs with its high degree of accuracy. 3-row array on the X-axis, 2-row array on the Y and Z axes. Options can be applied to the appropriate pickup magazines when longer, larger tools are required. The OP panels are movable for operators' convenience. Also, to maximize operators' comfort, the main door can be opened to a maximum length of 3,220 millimeters, which enables operators to load and unload workpieces with a crane. Lastly, we at Doosan Machine Tools promise all our customers around the world that we will realize shared growth with you through our latest VCF series, which is equipped with maximum user convenience, the highest performance accuracy, and great versatility for your full satisfaction.